everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to follow and unfollow on X. To follow some people, open the X app and then go to the account you would want to follow. Next, tap the follow button. Once it turns into a check mark or says following, you're now following that account and will see their tweets in your feed. To unfollow, go to the same account and tap the following icon button again. Select unfollow and you will stop seeing their tweets in your timeline. And that's it. Following and unfollowing helps you curate your feed so you see the content that matters most to you. Take some time to explore accounts that match your interests and do not be afraid to unfollow accounts that aren't relevant. It's all about creating a feed that works for you. Thank you so much for watching. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more X tips and tutorials. Keep exploring, keep following accounts that inspire you, and I'll see you in the next